Welcome to our guide on promoting your gaming channel and earning with affiliate programs. Let's dive into how you can boost your visibility and profits. First, identify your target audience. Understanding who they are and what they enjoy is crucial to your channel's growth. Creating high-quality content that captivates viewers is essential. Make sure your videos are engaging and informative. Use social media platforms to share your videos and connect with a wider audience. Consistent posting helps keep viewers engaged. Networking with fellow gamers and influencers can expand your reach. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences. Implement SEO strategies to optimize your videos for search engines, making it easier for new viewers to discover your content. Explore affiliate programs that align with your gaming content. Choose those that resonate well with your audience. Integrate affiliate links into your content naturally, ensuring it doesn't feel overly promotional. Authenticity is key. Track your performance and analytics to refine your promotional strategies. Understanding what works will enhance your content. In conclusion, stay consistent and engage with your audience. Your passion for gaming can translate into a successful channel.